Hi, I'm Avneet, and our this video is going to be predominantly for visualization and manifestation. So we're going to unfold one by one what are these terms and why these things are so important to have in our life. So first, I will like to discuss about visualization. Now, what is visualization? When you look out for something, you imagine something. That particular practice is called as visualization. Okay, why visualization? Why is it so important? Okay, so let me tell you one thing. It leads you to a positive direction. First thing, it gives you a direction. All right, then it will alter your mind. Your mindset changes when you start visualizing those things. All right, now how to do this visualization? To understand visualization, you first need to understand what you want. What are your desires? So that you will start working on, and you will start visualizing them for them to come and become true. Your dreams that you wanted to come true. Okay, so you work on it, what you want, list it out, and there you can start working out with your visualizations. Okay, so first foremost thing to do is to meditate on it. Okay, sit down quietly, work on your breathing, and just focus on what you're wanting and just visualize it. Okay, we'll be getting through a meditation which will help us to visualize also, but for now just try to understand that meditation becomes one of the important aspects of visualization, because deep down when you go into your very much focused and balanced mode and calm mode, you understand the best what do you want out of it. You get clarity of what is it that you want the most and how do you want it. Sometimes people know what they want, but they don't know how to go around with it and how to work with it. Okay, then second thing is imagine. Once you are clear or meditating on it and understanding it, then you have to sit down and imagine how, what it should be. Okay, how it should be like. So that is how you will imagine about it. So day in and day out you will imagine that how it is supposed to be. Okay, um, then you can just draw a picture of it if you want, or you can just take a picture of it and put it on the wall. Now, for example, you are visualizing to write your own book, so just visualize day in and day out, meditate on it, work towards it, and just make a photo of it and put it on the wall. Just work it on the computer, work some graphics, and just take out a printout and keep it on the wall. Keep watching that, so it keeps inspiring you. It plays with your subconscious mind, it drives you towards that, and you keep on moving towards that goal. It actually focuses you and funnelizes your energy to go ahead into that particular direction. Okay, and then you can just keep it in your mobile phone like a screensaver. Then you can just keep watching it now and then to absorb into you completely, so that day in and day out you're thinking all about it. And one more beautiful thing that you can start doing is that you can maintain a diary, and you can just take note in your diary, even when you are meditating, and after meditating what all thoughts came across your mind during that particular period of time, that you can start registering in your diary. So that means you can start maintaining a journal and make a list of things that you are doing it. So that is called as being into visualization, right? Now when you are visualizing, you are manifesting things. So in addition to those activities, what else you can add so that you are manifesting those things? So you can create a loop of gratitude, like I had previously mentioned in my one of my previous video called as gratitude. So gratitude and affirmations. So when you start being thankful to things that you already have in life, and when you start thanking the universe, automatically there is a way. It makes a way and it comes to you. And trust me, it happens to me all the time, because you owe your gratitude, you count your blessings, you know what is coming your way, and the way is made. It just comes to you. It becomes so easy that sometimes you are surprised that, oh my god, it just came to me. Okay, so let that be, let you become a magnet and attract those things towards you. So how you can become a magnet? It's your brain. Obviously your brain, the thoughts that you are triggering in your brain. So your brain should be like a magnet of positive thoughts, so you should create that loop, and it will lead you to an abundance energy. It will lead you to a cycle of abundant energy, right? Then secondly you can do is you can put affirmations. Now affirmations are what? Basically those are the positive sentence which will help you to have that particular thing. So a best way of manifestation is to have affirmations. Okay, when you say I am a beautiful person, you are already a beautiful person. As you said, so it is. We always say that keep a check on what you speak, because whatever you speak might come true, right? So what happens actually, what you speak, it actually comes true because it defines your behavior. What you say, you do, what you do is becomes your habit, what becomes your habit becomes your destiny, and that's how it goes all along. So everything starts from here first. So when you have control and you are in charge of your brain, everything will be aligned accordingly. So shift yourself saying affirmations that I am a, if you want to become a rich person, I am a rich person, or I am an abundantly blessed person. So keep bringing that to you. Okay, and another thing that I feel which is very beautiful, that you can just write it down on a paper, keep it in your pillow, and sleep. So what happens is, this what you are doing by this exercise, it's not kiddish or childish to do. You are just writing down your thoughts and you're sleeping on it. So when you're sleeping also, you have those things playing inside you somewhere, and then you wake up in the morning, you will have that thought. You know, sometimes you wake up in the morning and there's a song playing in the background in your mind somewhere. That is what happens. So whatever you think, you sleep and you wake up with that thoughts in the morning. So you can immediately wake up and write it down. That is why for a gratitude exercise I asked you that wake up in the morning and write your blessings, because you're doing right that thing which will happen your day and which will put your way on the right track since the beginning of the day. So that is how you start a day. So that you can start it from the night itself, you can just write it down, put it, and then you can start it in the morning working on it. Then other thing is a full moon meditation that we did, that video that I have shared earlier. Just fill that water in your glass and do the meditation and just drink that water. So that will also help you for manifestation. You say the manifestation and you just do it and just drink that water. And one more beautiful thing which I read somewhere is, and I did also, and it does help you somewhere, is that it's a two glass combination. So you take one full glass and one empty glass, okay, and you label them. The full glass you will label it as your current situation. So write down your current situation, that currently what I am, and the empty glass is your what you intend to be. Okay, you just hold your intentions. Okay, think about it deeply. So then you will pour from the full glass, which is your current situation, water into the empty glass what you want to be. And now you drink that water, means you are taking in and you are working towards it. So this again helps you to make that understanding with yourself, that from that glass you are already reaching your goal, and you are taking that goal intentions inside you and you are accepting it. So your brain, your body gets that signal that yes, it's time to start working on that. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, writing it down is always a good thing. And then what you can do is you can have a manifestation box. Okay, in that manifestation box you can write down what are your goals in the coming future, and based on that you can just make some chits and you can make some affirmations on it. You can just make some pretty things, list it out, you can put in that manifestation box. And every day, you know, at night when you're sleeping, or not if every day you have time, even at least, you know, once a week, just open that box, read it out, thank god that they are already coming on its way, and assume that they are with you, feel that they are with you, and you are already having that all goals with you, and rejoice that moment. So that is how you are manifesting it more, because you have kept in there. You must have seen in movies also, they show there are people who have a habit of maintaining their creative diary, wherein they will put their thoughts, what they want to become and how they want to become. They decorate it, they do it, and then slowly the story of the movie unfolds, that how that thing started coming into reality, because this person was already harnessing that thing in the form of that diary. Okay, and putting it on the diary, and this person was living it day in and day out. And when you do that, that thing will happen for sure. It is for sure that it will happen. So that is the kind of dedication which is required to assure and assume your goals to coming to you. Okay, and most importantly, when you are manifesting certain things, you want the people which are right people to connect at that point of time, who are giving that positive vibes and who are making that way for you to go and achieve that goal. So when you start thinking positive, you will meet those kind of people and the way will be made by those people, and automatically you will reach your goal. So try to contact people who are setting up good thoughts into your mind, and you are if you need a mentor, go and get ahead and discuss those things with that person. So connect with right people, connect on the social media with right people, and that is how things will start working for you. Okay, and I hope this video was informative and good enough for you, and I hope that you start visualizing and manifesting and start taking your goals and also accomplishing them. I wish everyone all the best to set the new goals, and that is how I say that I'm available anytime if anybody needs help, and anybody needs to discuss anything, and you have my details in the description below. So till then, if you like my videos, you can just like, share and subscribe, and I would like to say a goodbye and enjoy.